In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PayPal account to your Wix website. This process is pretty straightforward, and by the end, you'll be ready to accept payments through PayPal on your site. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, select the website where you'd like to set up PayPal as a payment method. This step is essential because you might have multiple sites, and you want to ensure you're working on the right one. Once you've selected your website, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several options, but what you need to do is click on Settings. This will lead you to a page with various settings that you can tweak. Among these is the Accept Payments option. Give that a click, and you'll be on your way to setting up your payment methods. Once you're on the Accept Payments page, scroll down until you find PayPal. It should be one of the options available for you. You'll see a button labeled Connect right next to it. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your PayPal merchant account. After entering your email, click Connect once more to move on to the next step. Now it's time to authorize the connection. At this point, a new tab should open, redirecting you to the PayPal login page. You'll need to log in by entering your PayPal password. Once you're logged in, PayPal will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. This step is crucial because by agreeing, you're granting Wix permission to access your PayPal account for processing payments. After you agree, simply click Return to Wix, and you'll be redirected back to your Wix dashboard. Back in Wix, the Accept Payments page should now reload automatically. You should see a confirmation that your PayPal account is successfully connected. Now, don't be alarmed if you see a message asking you to upgrade your Wix plan. Just a quick reminder, you need a Wix Premium or Studio plan that supports online payments to utilize PayPal. If you haven't upgraded yet, consider doing so to unlock these features. With everything set up, your customers will now have the option to select PayPal when they're ready to check out on your website. This is a great way to offer a convenient and widely used payment method, likely making their purchasing experience smoother and potentially increasing your sales. So there you have it, a straightforward way to connect PayPal to your Wix website that empowers you to accept payments effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your online store.